Good morning, children. And I'm very happy to connect with you all after a long time. And it's really nice to see the interest. Few children call me, few children text me, ma'am, when are you taking classes? So finally, I'm here. As you all understand, Monday to Friday, you have the timetable where from morning 8 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock, the classes are there. So I'll be not able to, take the session in the weekdays. So I'm taking on Sunday. So are you all happy having a class on Sunday? When I asked, then the response is really good. So I am really feeling motivated to take a session for you all. So moving on to the session.
So here is a video for you all. So I request all of you to connect yourself with the words and the examples here and imagine we shall overcome someday. Here you go. I slept on benches and every day borrowed 20 rupees from friend to travel film city. You know who is he? He's Shah Rukh Khan. He had nothing when he started his career. I failed in 8th standard. Who is this boy? He's Sachin. But still he didn't give up, right? And you know he's a legend. I was rejected for the job in All India Radio because of my heavy voice. And you know he's a legend. Even at this age, he has his charismatic approach for everybody. Amitabh Bachchan. I used to work in petrol pump. And you know who is he? Dhirubhai Ambani. He started with the job in a petrol pump. I was rejected in the interview of pilot. And yes, you know, our dear Kalamji, the man of humbleness and brilliance. At the age of 30, I was a bus conductor. You must be knowing him. Yes, the down-to-earth man, Rajnikant. Friends, there are many such people who struggled. Life is not about what you couldn't do so far. It's about what you can still do. Wait and don't ever give up. Miracles happen every day. So, yes. Now you tell me, how was the examples? You know only
Present, right? You know only their present. But they were something common before when they became legend. So is my voice audible for all of you now? Now I'll unmute and I just want to know the feedback of the students. One second, just give me a moment. Yeah, here we go. Okay, let me see who wants to speak here. Yashashwini, you can unmute your mic and speak, dear. And also video also, please. Audio and speak. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, only education is not an important and
Hello?
great thing, but effort, hard work, we have to put everything, ma'am.
okay. So, what inspiration you can draw from this?
Ma'am.
Inspiration, what did you understand from this when I shared the examples of these people who are very common in the life, but they achieved very big things in the life? How did you feel about it? You there? Hello?
Ma'am.
I felt that I should achieve something greater than them, ma'am.
Okay, that's really good inspiration. So for that, what do you need to do?
Education, hard work, effort, team spirit, and everything is important for achieving, ma'am.
Suppose if you have a setback, will you give up?
No, ma'am. I will just try and try till I achieve, ma'am.
Okay, that's really good. That's really good. And all of you give a big round of applause for her through your reactions in the screen. So wonderful answer, dear. Next, who want to speak can unmute and speak.
Ma'am, I'm Gautam, ma'am, 7th standard, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
we
what did
should
you learn?
when we are learning, no, ma'am, then should not waste the time.
Okay, that's really good. So what do you have to do? So what did you understand basically?
Ma'am, we should learn more and more. We should not waste our time.
Okay. Then what else what else you want to achieve in the life? How will you do it that one?
Ma'am, doing hard work and doing effort.
Good, very good. What do you want to become in your life then? Thinking. So you should have your aims and you should have a small goals to reach that aim. So in the next class, I want to know what is your aim. In fact, I would like to know everybody's. Thank you, dear. All of you give him a big round of applause through your reaction on the screen. Thank you, dear. You can Good morning, dear.
Ma'am.
Good morning, dear.
I am Yamshri Rekha Reddy of 7th standard. And in this video, what I have watched, ma'am, I have observed that we have to never give up and we have to be patient till we achieve the success. And as they are very patient, so they have reached the success. They are the successful persons, one of the most successful persons in the world. So, and when I have learned that we have to never give up and be patient for our success. And when we read 1 hour, at least we have to concentrate that 1 hour, but not waste our time sitting hours together. Because time is precious, ma'am. We have to not waste it.
I appreciate that you have the sense of time importance, because you lose money, you can earn back. If you lose time, you cannot get even a single second back. And the patience and consistency. See, one more thing I want all the students to notice here is that they have started when they are very young. They achieve success when they are grown up and even across that age. So what is the point here is that you sow the seed of your aim now. Achieve small goals every single day, and one fine day you will achieve the success. But that there is no end. That success should be maintained. You have to maintain that with stability. If there is no stability, then there comes a downfall. To be a legend in your life, no matter which profession you choose or which career you choose, there should be a rise, consistency, and then rise, consistency, and again keep rising. Whether you want to be a gardener, or you want to be a farmer, or you want to be something else in your life, you should always remember one thing: no matter which profession you are in, be passionate, be consistent, and see that you are stabilized in that, and you should have a graph of growth. So thank you, Sri Rekha Reddy, for the wonderful answer. All of you give her a big round of applause on your screens. Thank you, dear. Okay, let's move on to the session. All of you remember one thing: if you have some passion, just wishing is not enough. You need to work on every single day. Somebody should not come and tell you, you do this, you do that. Are you a animal in a circus? That's in a trainer will be there, a master. He keeps on saying, you do this, you do that. Then that animal will be doing it. And you know what happens? What happens? Tell me. The moment give instruction, then the animals will be performing in the circus. You are not a circus animal, right? Are you? No. So what do you have to do? You have to be a self-directed self-instructed, self-motivated, and self-driven with your own goals that, yes, I need to do this because I want to achieve this in my life. That will start right from this age. You know something, in different countries, the training for Olympics, they start from right from very, very young age. You know, can you guess what is the age? Can you type in the chat box? Let me see what are the age they start training in the Olympics training or the basic training for this thing. Just check it out, and I need some answers on this.
Any guesses what is the age in the Olympics they start training a child for aiming to, aim to get success in the Olympics to get the results in other countries? What is the age they start at home? Vikas is saying 20, no. Deepti 16, no. Shivani 10, no. Tarun Gogi, no. 21, 18, no. No, you're wrong. Guess, come on. 15, no, Sri Rekha. Prajwal, 8, no. No, 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 no. It starts from right from the age group once they are. Somebody said 5 years. Yes, Sri Rekha, you are right. You have changed your answer now. Yes, it's right from the very tender age they start doing that. You can Google and check out what is the age when training is given for the young age, just to get habit of it, not to practice in so rigorous way, just to have the passion. So if they want to play chess, they will just give the chess toys to play in, or if you want to be a good swimmer, they put it into the water right from the practice at the age of 5 or 6 and all. So this is this right or wrong? I will not comment on this. But to create interest, we have to give. If you want to be a good storyteller, read a lot of storybooks. The parents should bring storybooks and give to the child at the age of 5. That is the way the small age they will be picking up few things. The interest will be getting. You might be thinking, ma'am, we are already 6th and 7th. How to create the interest? I'll tell you how. Start now. No issues. It's not when you start or how you start. Is that you just started to do it in your life, because the moment you realize I have to do something different in my life, I need to start right now. When is the right time? Right now. That is the right time. So you cannot think tomorrow once school lockdown is over, when school start, I'll read, I'll study. No. You might be thinking once school start, I'll go for jogging in the evening. No. If you want to be in sports, if you want to be a dancer, come on. You have Google, you have YouTube and internet. Watch some videos and practice some steps. If you want to be fit in your body, start doing something yoga, watching TV, channels where the yoga is shown. You want to be, if you have to have a parallel interest among with your education. Children, I'll tell you, education will give you marks, will give you knowledge and information, but life skills will give you the knowledge how to lead a life. Ma'am, I want to tell that age does not mean for learning. At any age we can learn to achieve in life. Wonderful. Sri Rekha Reddy. Yes, your sister ma'am age is 36. Okay? And even now she's a student. I'm a student. I'm doing my 5th degree BEd, 3rd semester. Because of lockdown, I couldn't write my exams. Next time, 4th semester. And I am the 5th year student of post-graduation diploma in drawing and painting, which is I'm doing the correspondence with Bhavani Kala Mandir. Why I'm telling this thing is because just now she given a statement that, ma'am, I want to tell that age doesn't matter for meaning. You have to learn. Age is just a number. You should have an interest. 5 degrees are there, 2 PG degrees are there. I have done my MBA and I've done post-graduation diploma in communication English from Mysore University. But why do I study now? I want to update myself. I need to have credentials. When I take a session, when I stand on a platform, I should be having some better skills and better knowledge to share with somebody. So age is just a number. Sri Rekha Reddy, thank you for this example where I could quote myself, so that you can understand that people are there, they don't mind the age. They just do it if they want to do it. And always remember one thing, children. In this lockdown, You have enough time. You're saving travel time. You're saving the classroom time. Only 3 periods for a day. You are getting enough time, but many of them mobile, playing games, TV, watching channels, and either surfing on internet and wasting time. Come on, use it productively with a purpose. If you don't have a purpose, if you don't have a productivity in your life, I'm sorry to tell you, children, you will not grow. You will be stabilized. You will be stagnant. And always remember one thing: don't be busy doing something which is not productive. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕೆಲಸ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. Suppose, see, if I waste my time playing mobile games, or definitely I'm wasting, because I don't want to be, in a field where I'll be creating games app. Suppose if I want to design a games app, I want to get into the technical world, then I have to see how many games are there. So always do things which will help you to understand whether this will be helping me or not. If I'm reading this, will this help me for my career? If I'm doing this activity, will this help my career? If I'm doing this performance, will this help my career? Yes, sometimes we will do it for sake of our satisfaction and happiness. That's not an issue. But if you're doing the same thing every day, then you're ruining your time. If you're playing games every day, you're ruining your time. So you need to make a choice. You need to make a choice, and the choices what you take and the chances what you take in your life, that is what will make you to understand the importance of the life. Where are we heading towards? What are we doing towards it? And how will it be helpful for us? So this is the very important thing in life. There are many people who are stuck in their jobs, 18 years, 20 years, 15 years, 10 years, in the same job they will be. Why? Scared to go anywhere. Fear of not getting success. But if you don't change, you don't grow. If you don't grow, you will be stagnated. You will be there in the same place. So I always tell, grow. Even for the students, that is the example of a job, but it's coming up to students. If your performance is not improving, you are going somewhere wrong. If you're not able to study online classes, then there is something you need to understand. Yes, I need to change myself. This is not the right way I am doing. My parents are telling me. Why should they tell me? Because if I am hungry, I will eat food, so it will get into my body. If I want knowledge, I should read, then it will be in my memory. If you are hungry, your parents will not eat the food. The same way, if you have to have a knowledge, you need to eat the knowledge. No, you have to read the knowledge. Read about the knowledge, so that you will have it in your mind. And always think one thing, children. Our parents will be saying, I couldn't do this. I couldn't do this because of this problem. At least you do. At least you do. At least you do. Why? Because parents accept you have to be better than them. Isn't it? Which parent will say, you get spoiled in your life, you waste money, and you don't listen, you don't eat? Which parent will tell? No parent will tell like that. I always repeat, and I repeat every time, the food you eat, the bed you sleep in, the shelter you're living in, and the clothes which you're wearing and sitting in right now is given by your parents. What are you giving in return to the parents? Nothing. The first thing you have to give is, they say, marks. No, marks is temporary. The thing which you have to give is respect by listening to them and following certain things what they say for your well-being. Are you doing? Ask yourself. Don't need to answer me. No need to answer your parents. Ask yourself, am I doing something good for myself, or I'm spoiling myself? Ask yourself. Be answerable to yourself. This is the age where you have to understand. Okay, Roshni is having something here. Ma'am, one thing that only we should not read, we should do everything, but knowledge we should give a particular time, because time is very precious. Yes, Roshni, that's a wonderful thing. You have to be more balanced. It's not that like 24 hours you become a cockroach, or a bookworm, like a cockroach, always eating the book. No, just knowledge will not help it, children. The knowledge should be imbibed in you with your life skills. See, I can't comment on the education system and I don't want to it, but I'll tell you something. Education system, what we are having is all about the knowledge we gain to get the marks and to survive in this cutthroat competition, and that marks will help us to get into the job. But you have to have a life skills. What is life skills? How to communicate, how to respect, how to behave, when to behave, where to behave, in what manner to behave. You're getting my point? And how you treat others. These all things will say. If you be rude to someone, you're a very intelligent boy, you are a topper of your school, but you fail to speak to your parents properly, if you fail to speak properly to your friends and neighbors and relatives, and you don't know how to behave when you go for a wedding or for a mall, you don't know the basic things, how to talk, you are a big failure because you have just numbers of marks. You don't know how to interact. You fail in life skills. Life skills are very important. Personality development is very important. If your personality is good, the knowledge will be like, it's like an added crown. You have a very good knowledge, but you don't have a life skill, then the crown is of no meaning. Hey, forget this guy, yaar. Forget this girl, man. She lacks really basic common sense. She doesn't know how to treat people. Yes, one more here, Sri Rekha. Yes, ma'am, this is a statement my mom and dad, they tell me and my sister from the little age, and that if you will do for somebody, study and learn for the parents, teachers, you will never achieve, you will never reach success. And she forced me study for learn. No, you don't take the word force, you tell the word influenced. Why? Because force ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೆ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ. No, see, I was unwell for a couple of weeks, so my throat had been having tonsillitis. I couldn't speak. Yeah, correct. That's right. That's nice, dear. Yeah. So you never use the word force. Force in andre, it's like you don't like, but somebody is forcing you to do. So for sake of them, you're doing. You should love to read. You should love to practice something which you want to do in a life. Your passion into your profession. So always remember one thing. In another 10 minutes, I need to wind up the session because 10:30 I have for another session for another this thing. So one thing you remember, live this life for yourself. Your parents are by chance. You didn't choose your parents, but your career is your choice. So choices are in your hand. You can make a better choice to reach that legendary position. What these elite legends, what I've shown you, they were common people like you before when they were young, when they started it, but they started it. They didn't give up in between. Ups and downs were there. They had the consistency of it. So your choices with consistency will make you to reach the success. So to have the success, you have to remember one thing. What are my choices? Parents are by chance, but not career. Career is by choice. So respect your parents every single day. Be thankful for them. They didn't throw you the day you are born into a garbage. There are many parents around the world who are not, especially in India, if you can read the newspaper or you have information on the media channel, there are in villages or in urban cities, they just throw it because they cannot, take a life ahead. Your parent didn't do that. And they say that you just study whatever I want to give. I tell parents, don't say this statement, whatever you want, we will give. If you want, you study. If you don't want, leave, man, you will suffer. The day the parents will start saying this, then the children will get into their heads. Yes, if I'll not do, I'll be a failure. If I have to be successful, I have to do. But what to do? Parents are parents. They pamper the children and because they love them. No child will hate a parent if they are not pampered or if they are pampered. Andre ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗುಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ Parents are loving you and pampering you because they want you to be good and grow well. But you people will fail to understand that you people think they are forcing, they are troubling, and they are insisting you to study. And no parents will hate their children. This all I want you all to remember. No mother, no father will hate their children. If they are scolding, it is for your good. If they are trying to tell you to correct something, it is for your good. And it's you how you react and respond. When they say, okay, mama, I'll try next time. Okay, papa, I'll do next time. I want this quality for all my students who are attending my session now, the 42 students who are in here, my session. I want you all to understand one thing, that respect the knowledge what you get from your teachers. And one more, the thing what I want to share is that your teachers who are struggling to give the classes online, they are also learning something new in education technology and trying to bridge the gap at the convenience of your home. So I request all of you to use this time for your growth. So now I'll give the chance to the students to give the feedback on the session. In another 10 minutes, we'll be winding up. So who wants to speak can raise the hands. And I want all of you to unmute your videos so that I can see. Yes. So raise your hands or you can unmute yourself and can speak. Raise your hand, I'll allow you to speak, children. Unmute yourself, Vanilla.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, dear.
Hi, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, dear. I'm better now. Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I not raised hand, ma'am. I enjoyed very a lot, ma'am, and I learned how to behave with parents.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, next.
How to give respect.
Okay, that's really good. Okay, next. Ashok Reddy, will you answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma. So what did you learn today?
how to behave in the class
Okay.
and
Okay, try. Yeah. Okay, how to behave in the class you have learned. That's nice. Okay, now Tarun Gogi wants to speak. Yes, Tarun Gogi, come on.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear, tell me.
how to communicate with other ma'am?
Okay.
How to behave with parents ma'am?
Okay, are you behaving well or you're troubling your parents?
Behaving well ma'am.
Okay, good, very good. Next, who wants to speak? Anjana? Where is she? Anjana, are you there? No, I think she missed it. Okay, Sri Rekha, you can
how are you, ma'am?
Yeah, fine, dear. Come on.
Ma'am, at every class which you take, every session, ma'am, something inspirational, something new, we will learn, ma'am. And what I have learned in today's class is, ma'am, we have to never give up and be very patient. And the other thing is, ma'am, we have to, if we study, if we will learn something, we will be the achievers. No one will get now our parents will tell us to learn. My mother always tell me that I won't tell you all to read always, but only remember that if you will study, if you will learn something new, you will be the successor, not me, and you will achieve in your life, not me. So I learned every time I will learn something new from your session, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. God bless. God bless. That's really nice of you, and you picked up so many good things. It's at the end of the day, it's all about you. And Revant, I would like to have some words from you. Or did you pick it up
Ma'am,
from?
we have to be happy for what we have, ma'am.
That's a really good point you have noticed. We have to be first happy for what we are having. Still, what else can get from you? The points which you have picked up.
We have to communicate with everyone very nicely, ma'am.
Okay, still, are you happy in lockdown?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are you doing? Like, how are you using your time?
Ma'am, I'm spending my time in studying, drawing, art and activity, ma'am.
Wonderful. That's really good to know. That's really good to know. Thank you so much, dear. Okay, so Soujanya, yes, go ahead, dear. Yes.
Mom, I learned to behave neatly in front of my elders and youngers too, ma'am. And
Wow.
I learned to give respect for everyone
Okay.
who is surrounding me.
Okay.
And I learned everything what I should learn in my life.
Good. How are you
And,
feeling about it? How are you feeling about it?
Ma'am, first I felt that why we have to do the classes also in Sunday, but I'm feeling now that Sunday, if we, yeah, ma'am, it is a very useful class.
Okay. So first you felt why Sunday classes, but you know the timetable now from Monday to Friday morning, 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock, the ID is fixed. So no classes timing only now for me. That's why I took it on Sunday for you all.
Okay, ma'am, it is very enjoyable and we can get some more knowledge from this session, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, dear. So next Sunday I'll not take, don't worry. Then others, I have 9th and 10th sessions. So next, every 15 days once we'll be having. Oh, is that okay? Or you
Okay,
want,
ma'am.
or you want the class?
Yeah, ma'am, I want the class.
Okay, dear. God bless. God bless. So that's really nice, Saujanya, for having you and the feedback what you gave. First, you felt why, but after attending the session, you understood. Okay, fine. This is very useful for me. That's really a good realization what you're having. Very nice, dear. God bless you. Saujanya, Gautam, you can speak now.
Ma'am, this is you took class, ma'am, and this is very useful for us, ma'am. We should develop ourselves, ma'am.
Okay. Will you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. God bless.
We should communicate with others in good manner, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Very good. Venkat, you can. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, in polite manner also, ma'am.
Okay, dear. That's really good.
We should respect others and elders and younger brothers or
You're
sisters.
just saying, or you'll really do it about that?
Ma'am, really doing about it.
Okay, good. Thank you, dear. Thank you. What about Venkat? You unmute and speak, ma. Next, Lasya Priya will unmute. Then Nutan and Roshni also. Come on, Vishal. Good morning, dear. Okay, you want to do a hard work. Fine. Your voice is not audible, ma. Speak little louder. Okay, dear, to go do hard work. Come on. I'm happy to hear that. Next, Nutan wants to speak. Nutan, you can unmute. Where are you? You have to unmute your video also, dear. Meanwhile, Roshni also is raising hand. Unmute your audio and video. Rekha also unmute your audio and video. Yes. Nutan, come on, man. You can speak now.
Ma'am, I learned that we should never give up, ma'am.
Okay, that's one good thing. What I appreciate that we should never give up. No matter what, I have to keep doing. That's really a good thing. Hope you are enjoying your online classes, Monday to Friday. Okay, dear, good. Anything else you want to add in?
Every time we should try, ma'am.
Good, very good, very good. Next, Roshni. Roshni, after Roshni, Sri Rekha. Roshni, unmute yourself, ma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, dear. Doing better.
Yeah, ma'am. I learned about how to respect elders, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
And even time is very precious, ma'am.
Yes, very precious. Very good. You understood that?
In life, time is precious more, ma'am.
Hmm.
And if we think we are successful person, but we are not, ma'am, we should not give up
Hmm.
until
Good.
the end.
Until the end. And the end is never ending. It is stabilizing and stable it will be. That's good. I'm really happy to have your feedback, dear. And next, the last one is
Ma'am, your class is so nice, ma'am. Thank you for taking.
sorry. Okay. Welcome, dear. Welcome. Thanks for the compliment. Sri Rekha Reddy, you can speak now. After Sri Rekha, I will end the class.
Ma'am, at last I want to tell that in this panic situation, still our teachers are working for our education. It should not go down, or we have to not stop or break for our education. So in this panic situation, still they are working for us. Really, there are no words to talk about them. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much. And that point, what you added, Rekha, teachers are really doing a very hard work. And I know because I monitor them every day from 1 to 8. The timetable, the schedule, the classes, connectivity issues, network, whatnot. But still, we make it happen. And thank you, one and all, for your time. And it was great meeting you all after a couple of weeks. And of course, I never give up no matter what. And here I am for you all once again. And this personality development session, never give up. And to reach the heights of success, it's not one day process. You begin now, then you reach. There is something called consistency and the choice and consistency what makes your success in your future. So concentrate on your choices, which choice is better for you. Then have the practice with the consistency. It's not like motivation session today you attended one day, yes, I'm doing now. After 3-4 days, you are getting bored. No, you need not wait for Susha ma'am to come and speak, or you need not wait your parents to come and say. It is you should be self-driven and self-motivated, and you have to be self-oriented about your choices and practice of the choices with consistency. So these are the main key points of this session. Thank you one and all. Signing off, Sisha Bima, trainer and coordinator for the best institutions. And thanks for your time on Sunday, children. Bye-bye. Take care. I have another session after 5 minutes at 10:30. So I'm ending the meeting for you all. And hope you had a great time with me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye-bye.